So we're on piglet watch for this one, just keeping an eye on her. She's a little puffy back there at the rear. So this is Saturday evening. Wouldn't surprise me if we didn't have some by the end of the weekend. Now let's go look at the other ones. And they are about ready to go. They're about ready to be sold. And I think we had 8 to start with. And one died pretty soon, and one just disappeared in the first couple of days. Maybe an owl or maybe a coyote or something come in over the big fence and got in here. Because this ain't the only fence I've got around them. I've actually, can't see it, there's a perimeter fence right there at the edge of them woods with electric wire, and it seems to keep, I don't ever have any problems, seems like, with coyotes or stuff like that coming in here. But an owl, big old owl, they'll sure take a little 1-pound pig, I would think. So they are doing good. All the males have been fixed, so they'll be ready for their new homes here in about a week. I might put them up for sale this coming week. But she's doing good. She really holds her weight even when she's nursing. They don't drag her down. Now Louise going right there, she'll get plumb skinny. She's big now, but she will thin down, and I feed her as much as I can, but it's just the way she is. She's getting old anyway. But this one here, she's still big. And this here is while we're right here, this is what I call a creep feeder. My daddy told me about this a long time ago. You basically just fix a place where the sow can't get in there, and that way she can't eat up all the food, and the little pigs can get in there and eat without her eating up everything. So they're cleaning up what some feed I put in there. And so basically it's just this wire around the outside. See it? Yeah, I got this big old dog crate that I've reinforced and put a plywood bottom in and some carrying handles. So whenever I'm ready to sell them, or whatever I'm gonna do, I'll throw some feed in that thing, and they'll run in there, and then I just have to close the gate, and I got them. Because you can't catch these things. You cannot catch these things if anything depended on it. I've used big fish nets. That works okay until they tear up the fish net. But lure them in there. So these are 5 males and 1 female. And they'll be ready, probably ready to go next week. I should go ahead and start trying to sell these things. Put an ad up. Well, it's a nice evening. Have a nice night.